In this particular video, I'm going to show you exactly what happened on this gold trade right here. From the forecast, from the trade entry, trade management, and how we're able to get out of the market from here, and the market goes all the way to our take profit. So sit around and watch the rest of the video as I show you everything step by step. All right, so let me just show you exactly what happened. So earlier on in the morning today, I spotted a very nice setup right here, a nice rally based drop supply zone with liquidity right here above the Asian session, and then the market was right here. So I wanted the market to push all the way to this area before we can see a market going to the downside, right? So that was my forecast, and that's why I wanted the market to come to. All right, so let me just show you exactly what happened. So soon after that, the market actually came to my take profit, to my entry and everything I was looking for. So right here, so the market came exactly to my entry right here, and I was able to share this in our signals community. You can see that the market took out the Asian session and then also came into my POI right here. So that the market was able to touch my zone, and I was able to share this as a signal in our private community. Soon after that, the market beautifully responded to our POI, and the market had to go in our direction right here, and I asked the community to go break even. The market continued to drop in our direction. Amazing. And what happened later on? Check. The market was met with some form of demand zone right here, which is a drop based rally demand zone, and the market had to react from here. The market had to push against us right there. So I was able to tell the comments right here that if the market breaks this high right here, we'll be able to get out of the market, because it means that the market is changing direction, right? Wrong. See what happened? The market ended up going exactly how I thought it was going to go. Therefore, we had to get out of this particular trade with about 6 hours. Then, a few moments later, the market does this. Boom. The market just responds, takes out this high right here slightly. Let me just show you. The market just takes this high right here slightly. The one I was looking for it to hold, the market just takes that out, and then the market drops all the way here. Very crazy. So by me getting out of this trade, I was sure that the market is going to continue to push to the upside, because they've broken this structure right there and that structure right there. But unfortunately, or fortunately for those that held this particular trade, because it was shared across all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere, this market ended up going all the way to about 1 to 21 risk reward ratio in our direction as analyzed. Like I've shown you guys, this was actually the forecasted, then we did everything to the T. But in terms of trade management, this is where the market actually hit us right here, because it kind of assured us that it was going to change to the down to the upside, and then the market ended up doing something else. So that's going to happen, and literally I was just managing this trade, but this is exactly what happens. Sometimes you can never know what's going to happen in the market. All right, so let me just show what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. It's very interesting, right? Look, so I had spotted this nice zone right here, this big zone. Whenever you see these big zones work, guys. So if you check on the 2-hour time frame, you can see that we had a nice based drop right here on the higher time frame. So I waited for the market to tap into this area, and as you can see, the market tapped into this area right here. Okay, so the market tapped into this area and then dropped. Very important. So after the market had actually done that, since I didn't enter right here, I wanted for the market now to give me another opportunity to be able to enter this market, which you call a confirmed entry. So since I didn't take advantage of this move right here, I waited for the market to come back into this area. Why was I confident that the market was going to come back to that area? What happens that most of the time, once the market makes this change of character, the last candle, which is an order block, the last candle before the last bullish candle before the bearish move, is an order block, and at that particular order block, that's where you have unfulfilled orders, which needs to be actually triggered. So usually the market to go back to that particular area before the market can continue to go to the downside, right? So that's exactly what happened right here. So once I spotted this touch here, I just had to wait for the market to pull back into this area, and this is exactly what happened. And this was shared. The focus itself, let me just show you right here. this forecast was shared for free on Facebook, and also our Instagram, and also even on our Telegram community, right? This was all shared right there. So it's really, really important that you understand market structure and see exactly what happens in this market in order for you to be able to predict. So as you can see, this was shared on our Facebook right here, and the progress was actually shared. You can see that the forecast was here, and I was able to share the community to show the community right here on our Facebook that this is what was the forecast, this was the entry, and this is where we're able to actually see the market push to the upside. However, after that, the market ended up decided to push against us right here, and this was an indication for me to get out of the market. Looking that today is Friday, I didn't want to actually get stuck in this particular trade. So this is what ended up happening, and I made about $600 right here because I got out from here, right here. I got out from here with about 600, which is about 1 to 6. Then the market ended up going all the way. So these things are going to happen. No one has a way to actually know that this is going to happen in advance. So your goal is to just make sure that you manage the trade the best way you can. Some of these things are outside our control, guys. This was a beautiful trade. I'm really happy with the way I was able to actually manage this trade and everything. So actually, we're able to take another trade on Euro GBP. Let me just show you. Euro GBP, which is actually moving fine. The last time I checked, it was actually moving fine. Let me just show you if I'm able to show you right here for the signal right here. Yeah. So we were able to take another trade right here, which is the Euro GBP right here. Nice trade, entry right there, and then we're able to actually move our stop loss to break even after the market beautifully responded from this level from here, almost like 1 to 3. We're able to move to break even. And let me just check what is happening on this particular trade right now. Let me see if we can actually appreciate what is happening on this trade right here. Let me see if we can see something. It's moving beautifully. This Friday is a good Friday because everything is just pushing beautifully. And you can see the market is already pushing to the downside nicely, and our target was like 100 pips, and now the market has moved about let me see about how many pips, about 27 pips right there. So basically about 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, about 1 to 6 risk reward ratio in profit right now. And this is actually very, very nice. All right. So this is what happened on our gold trade. It was a beautiful trade. However, we were tricked into getting out of the trade, and the market went insanely in our direction. And our analysis was to the point, to the T. So this is how it is, guys. And by the way, if you'd like to actually learn how to do this, how to be able to predict such trades where you're able to pinpoint exactly where the market is going to go with this much accuracy, the first link in the description has our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship from me. Remember, we're currently running a 30% off promotion, which is ending on the 30th of December 2024. So make sure you take advantage of it so that you don't do the same mistakes that you've been doing next year. All right, so you guys, I really hope you found value. If you have, make sure you subscribe, and also let me know if you're able to catch this particular trade, because this trade was shared on our Facebook and our Instagram. And if you don't follow us, make sure you do so that you don't miss out on such beautiful trades right here. You guys, until next time, goodbye.